Hi, welcome to week 5, and we're going to do the data analytics simulation, which is a strategic planning exercise in healthcare. So here's the background. You've just been hired as a health system decision support manager. You've been tasked with determining if there is a need to build an additional hospital within the health system in zip code 19122. Here are some current state assumptions. You were told there was a year-over-year increase in the number of older adults living in the patient catchment area. You were told there was a year-over-year increase in the number of patients with chronic conditions. So you're going to take the Excel file, which is attached here and is also in Canvas, and you're going to review and profile the data in the metrics file. You'll need to prep and clean the data if needed, and determine the best analytics method for answering the question, is there a need to build an additional hospital in zip code 19122? I'd like you to consider, have inpatient visits increased between 2017 and 2018? And remember that 2018 has not yet concluded. And also consider patient zip codes. Here's what the file looks like. This file is going to open up in Microsoft Excel. And you'll see one tab that has the data dictionary, and then another tab that has the actual data.